Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. Use it to unlock the phone. And next let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. Now let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, you can go to fingerprint unlock. And to use it, you have to scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.